Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at this hot platform called TANSIQ token. This particular project, according to their information, is an Arab project which already has a countdown of 47 days to their listing. They are going to list this token on Binance Chain, MEXC exchange. So you can already see their accounts that for 7 days to the listing of this particular project. So all you have to do is just to locate the link in my bio and also check the comment section. I'm going to see the link, tap on that link and it's going to bring you to a Here is how you register on the platform. Once you tap on the link, it will redirect you to the Chrome whereby you have to see create account. You don't have account, so you need to create an account with your full name. Make sure you use your full name so that when you will do your KYC, it will not be difficult. Put your full name, then you have to put your password and you put your username. After that, you click on that small box to confirm, to agree to their terms and conditions. Then you click on create now. It is now going to welcome you to their platform. Now after that, the next thing you need to do is to, after creating an account, you need to sign in. Now you are going to use your email or your username and password to sign in. So once you do that, you click on this sign in and allow it to sign you in. If you encounter an error message, maybe failed or not working, you try it again. Maybe the app is having congestion or something like that. So once you try it, it did not work and you see fail to fetch, you have to retry. And the second time you will retry it, you are going to see join our Telegram channel. So you need to join the Telegram channel to get more information about this particular platform. So it's going to take you now click on join and you have to scroll as well to read more about this. You can see the strongest Arabic token ever, invest now, and every other information. So take your time to read about the platform after you join their Telegram channel to know more information. So once you join finish, it's going to open the airdrop interface for you. To mine the project, all you need to do is just to click on this TANSIQ harvest. You can display that say play. You tap on it. Once you tap on it, it's going to synchronize your account, and after that you can now see date. Like I said, this is an Arab Saudi Arabia project, and you know Saudi Arabia is known as the world producing date. So you have to tap on this date 3. As you're tapping on this date 3, you're harvesting and mining. So it's basically you are going to tap to mine. That is what this project is. You tap to mine, and here is where you can see your referral link. Just tap on this referral link here and invite your friends and families to join you. Just scroll down. You are not going to see copy. So this is your copy link and this is your referral code. So make sure you click on my referral code to earn welcome bonus as well. So that is that. Let's go back to the home page again. And another important thing you need to understand on this project is that you need to do your KYC to be able to mine faster. If you do not do your KYC immediately, they might block your account. So you have to do KYC. You are going to click on the wallet section. This is where you tackle your wallet, your available balance, and your withdrawal. So here you click on invest. This particular project has so many other features. It's not only mining, but I will encourage you to stick only on the mining. Do not go and invest on what you don't even know where it's leading to. Just stick on the mining for now. If they finally listed on Binance exchange and MEXC exchange, we can take it off from there, but now do the free mining only. Now this is how you do your KYC. You come over to your profile here. So you're going to see your name, your invite link, and copy link, and also you need to set two-factor authenticator, that is two-factor security. First, to do your KYC, you can see here KYC submission, identity view review. Click on this arrow to do the identity review. So tap on the arrow. You're now going to see, choose your country, select a document type, then upload or capture every required step. So you are going to select your country first. You click on that arrow and select your country. If you are Nigeria, you select Nigeria. If you are a Togonese, you select. If you are North Korea, you select your country. Now the document type, if you want to use passport, you leave it there. If you want to use national ID, you keep it there. If you want to use driving license, you tap on it. So whichever one you want to do. If you want to do for passport, all you need to do is just to upload your passport image, selfie check, you click on upload and submit. While for national ID, you upload the front and the back side. So after that, you're going to do upload the selfie check and you are good to go. Then you click on submit KYC. That is it. For driving license, the same method. You upload front and back of your driving license, you do selfie check, you click on submit KYC. So after that, it's going to review, and if you did everything correctly, you are going to receive the approval message. So that is it. So make sure as you are joining this project, you are doing your KYC immediately so that they will not block your account. It's very important. So we still have little time to mine. All you need to do is just to tap. Like I said, it requires tapping so that you can increase your balance. So once you have uploaded your document correctly, you are going to see under review pending. Now the next thing to do is to set two-factor security. Tap on two-factor authentication. So what you're going to do now is to either you scan it using your two-factor, or you copy the setup key, which is this code. You're going to copy it and enter. After that, after you have copied it, you're now going to your two-factor and enable it. Once you do that, you come here and put the 6-digit code, then you click on confirm and enable two-factor. So let's go to Google Authenticator app. So once you come over to your Google Authenticator app, you are going to click on this plus sign at the down side here. You're going to see the plus sign. So once you tap on it, you now click on enter setup key. So you're going to write the name. Let's write the name TANSIQ. So let me copy the key. I forgot to copy it and minimize and go back. So I have added it to the Google Authenticator app. Now I'm going to copy the code, which I will paste. Just tap on. So I'm going to paste the code here. Then you click on confirm and enable. Can you see two-factor on? So basically, this is how you enable it on your app. So go and do this to secure your account. And that is it for this video. So make sure you use my referral link. It will be in the comment section and in the description of this video, and get started. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.